Welcome to my Rise to the Challenge Volleyball vertical template. This is a quick demo of what it has to offer. It's super easy and fast to use. There's a full tutorial included with the instant download that will give you a more in-depth tutorial of how to insert your subjects, how to change all the layers, and how to modify this to fit your team perfectly. A quick demo version of this, I'm going to shut off my sample subject here and insert a different extracted subject. So here's an extracted subject. I'm going to drag and drop her into the template and then position her where I think she looks good. Make her a little bit bigger, and it can be as easy and simple as that to insert your subject. Now just modify the text and the colors to fit exactly what you want. For example, Cougars could be Rockets. I could change the color to exactly fit her jersey. Of course, the town name can easily be changed too. Let's adjust the subject's name. And let's make that white. Let's change Clark and her jersey number. Adjust this just a little bit over. Change this to red. And of course, these background colors can be changed too. I kind of like them blue, but we can try red. See what red looks like. That looks pretty cool. The flares can be red also. As you can clearly see, there's a million ways you can make this awesome for your subjects, and it's fast and easy to use.